WordPress.com का प्लान खरीदना चाहते हो पर कंफ्यूज्ड हो कि कौन सा प्लान आपके लिए बेस्ट है? सो दिस वीडियो इज एग्जैक्टली फॉर यू। इन दिस वीडियो मैं आपको WordPress.com के सारे प्लान्स के बारे में डिटेल में बताऊंगी ताकि आप अपनी नीड के हिसाब से परफेक्ट प्लान बाय कर सको और अपने ड्रीम्स को रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट कर सको। So let's get started. And as we are official partners with WordPress.com, आपको हर प्लान पे 30% ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा, तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना। The very first plan we have is the personal plan.
The personal plan starts at rupees 160. If you're planning to stay online long term, the 3-year plan costs only rupees 112, giving you solid savings over time. With this plan, you get 6 GB storage, unlimited pages, posts, users and visitors, and a free domain for the first year. It includes dozens of premium themes, built-in statistics, plugin support, and help from our expert team, making the 3-year plan a smart, budget-friendly choice for personal websites and blogs.
This plan is perfect for personal blogs, portfolios, or simple informational websites. If you want your own website at a lower cost, then this plan is exactly for you.
The premium plan is priced at rupees 280, but with the 3-year option, the price drops to just rupees 196. This makes it perfect for creators who want more features at a lower long-term cost. Along with everything in personal, you also get 13 GB of storage, all premium themes, and advanced statistics. You can customize fonts and colors across your entire site. You can also connect with Google Analytics and upload videos.
One plan that we have is the business plan. This is where WordPress.com becomes more powerful and flexible.
Business plan costs rupees 640, but when you choose the 3-year plan, it comes down to rupees 448, delivering serious savings on advanced tools. With this plan, you get everything that is already available in premium plan in addition to 50 GB of storage, which can also be expanded beyond 350 GB. Again, along with this, you get priority 24/7 expert support. This plan also unlocks SFTP and SSH access, Git commands, and GitHub deployments. And the 3-year option ensures long-term stability and cost efficiency for professional projects.
The next in queue is the commerce plan. This plan turns your website into a complete online store.
Commerce plan comes at rupees 1152, but the 3-year plan lowers that to rupees 806, offering the best value for e-commerce businesses. You get everything that is already there in the business plan, plus powerful e-commerce tools and a fully optimized WooCommerce experience. With store premium theme, scalable storage, advanced developer tools, and priority support, the 3-year plan gives your online store the foundation it needs to grow confidently. It must be noted here that the 50 GB storage, just like the business plan, is also expandable to 350 GB and more in the commerce plan once again. When you use WordPress.com, you get free domain for the first year on all paid plans, fast optimized hosting so your site loads quickly, automatic backups to keep your data safe, there's unmetered traffic so your site won't slow down as you grow, and there is expert support available from real-time experts of WordPress.com, so you always have them whenever you need help.
Now we are going to answer some common questions that people have for WordPress.com. The first question we have is, can I upgrade or downgrade my plan later? Yes, You can upgrade or downgrade your plan later. If you upgrade your plan, you just have to pay the price difference. Is the free domain really free? Yes. All paid plans include one custom free domain for 1 year. Then, after the next year, you have to pay the normal custom renewal charges of the domain. Can I use my own existing domain? Yes, you can use your own existing domain or transfer it to WordPress.com. Can I install plugins on all plans? Yes, you can install plugins on all WordPress.com plans. Does WordPress.com offer a free plan? The answer is yes. It does offer a free plan for beginners who want to start their WordPress.com journey.
Can I monetize my website? Yes. You can monetize your website पर personal plan पे ad show नहीं कर सकते. When you've decided what WordPress.com plan you want to buy, you can avail our discount by using the link in the description below. When you'll click on the link, it'll take you to the Blogging Beats landing page where you can select any plan you want to buy. Once you've selected the plan that you have to buy, you need to create your account, click on your domain, and then it'll lead you to the checkout page. Once you reach the checkout page, you'll see that our Blogging Beats discount has been availed and you get an extra 30% off on any of the plan that you are buying.
Right now, someone out there is searching for something you exactly know. Something that only you can offer. But they won't find it online because your website doesn't exist yet. It's not about tech, it's not about opportunities, it's about deciding to show up. Every day you delay, you're not just postponing a website, you're postponing opportunities, credibility, and growth. And here's the truth no one tells you. You don't gain confidence before starting, you gain confidence by starting. And if you've been waiting for a sign, then this is it. As we're official partners with WordPress.com, you get an extra 30% off on all the plans. So, what are you waiting for? Get started with your website today.